Assalamualaikum kids, how are you all? I hope by the grace of God you all will be fine. Children, this is your Phonic Language Series Book 3, means the book of PLS. Children, today I am going to teach you about fruits name, which is given on page number 54. Children, you will do page number 54 with me. So open the page number 54. Children, we will complete the puzzles with names of fruits. Here are given some picture clues and you will write with the help of their names in this puzzle. Number 1 is mango. What is this? This is mango and which is given on number 1. Here is number 1. So we will write here the name of mango like this, M-A-N-G-O, mango. And this is a cross like this, and on the cross the number 2 is orange. So we will write here orange. Here is already written O, and we will write here the remaining letters. So write with me. Orange, O-R-A-N-G-E, orange. And on number 3, which is given here, apple. What is this? Apple. And we will write here apple. And the spelling of apple is A-P-P-L-E, apple. And on number 4 is pear. And the spelling of pear is P-E-A-R, pear. Where is number 4? Here is written number 4. And P is already given. So we will write the spelling of pear and the remaining letters are E-A-R, pear. Now write with me. The spelling of pear is P-E-A-R, pear. And on number 5, the picture is given of grapes. And where is number 5? Let's search. Yes, here is number 5. And G is already given. So the spelling of grapes are G-R-A-P-E-S, grapes. G-R-A-P-E-S, grape. The spelling of grapes is G-R-A-P-E-S, grapes. And the last one is banana, and which is given on number 6. And where is number 6? Yes, here is number 6. So we will write here the spelling of banana. Yes, I wrote here the spelling of banana. And the spelling of banana is B-A-N-A-N-A, banana. B-A-N-A-N-A, banana. Children, we have done the page number 54 and you will also write the page number 54 at home with the guidance of your parents. Thank you, take care and Allah Hafiz.